नमस्ते, स्वागत करता हूं राहुल कौशिक आरके पे सभी का। दोस्तों, इक्विटी बेंचमार्क सेंसेक्स एंड निफ्टी सेलेक्टेड एट फ्रेश क्लोजिंग highs on January 8 boosted by gains in sector led by IT and auto. Nifty hits its fresh record high of 14,367.30 while the Sensex hit a record high of 48,854.34 in intraday trade. Eventually, the Sensex closed 689 point or 1.43% up at 48,782.51 and Nifty settled 210 points or 1.48% up at 14,347.25. The rally in the market was broad-based as the mid-cap and small-cap indicate clocked gain of about a percentage. BSE mid-cap index hit a fresh record high of 19,161.20 while the small-cap index hit an intraday high of 18,984.69. The small-cap index is still about 1,200 points below its all-time high of 20,183.45 that it hit on January 15, 2018. BSE mid-cap and small-cap indicates close 1.01% and 0.72% higher respectively on January 8. IT and auto stock pulled their weight today ahead of TCS earning as bull went Berserk lifted indicates by 1.5% beyond by positive global cues. An array of high quality mid caps across sector registered small gains as mood remained buoyant throughout the day. So then click on the link below and open your Demat account with Angel Broking today. 5 reasons of Sensex gain. Positive global clues. Most Asian peers traded near recorded high which influenced the sentiment back home. As per Recruiter, Asian share valued of recorded high on January 8 and Japan's Nikkei's hit a 3-decade peak as investors looked beyond rising coronavirus cases and political unrest in the United States to focus on hopes for an economic recovery later in the year. Optimistic around quarter 3 earnings. IT heavyweight TCS will release its quarter 3 21 scorecard later in the day as positive like the COVID-19 vaccine and economic recovery have already been factored in. Quarterly earnings along with the global clue are expected to dictate the mood of the market in the weeks to come. Quarter 3 earnings and global clues would provide further direction to the market. To start with the quarter 3 financial year 21 result of IT major, TCS would be on participant radar. Analytics and brokerage experts December quarter number to be healthy. Economic recovery in the side. In 21-22, the Indian economy may grow at 8 to 11.5% at constant price and 11.5% with current price, say economist D.K. Srivastava, Chief Policy Advisor EY India, estimated gross domestic product growth at constant price at 8% in 21-22. A Business Standard report said nominal GDP as projected to grow 11.5% in financial year 2020 according to Srivastava. Biden presidency positive for market. With the US Congress affirming Joe Biden Electoral College victory over President Donald Trump, it ends the uncertainty surrounding the elections as well as the equity market. The Democratic sentence win will allow Biden to push through policies such as more fiscal spending and higher taxes. With the Georgia election outcome, the uncertainty in the US seems to be coming to an end and the market always prefer certainly negative through it might be. Of course, here the outcome doesn't seem negative. Development in the US are likely to continue to add the positivity created by loose monetary and fiscal policies. Loose monetary policies adopted by the central bank lead to more than rupees 1 lakh crore of flow into Indian market in 2020. Experts say when the liquidity in is abundance, the market will ignore negative news and focus on the more stimulation measure to support the economy. Rally in IT auto sectors. Auto and IT heavyweights such as Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Maruti and Mahindra are among the top contributors to the rally in the market. IT stock have jumped ahead of the December quarter number of TCS, while auto sector number have been bullish as analysts believe the sector is poised for growth with the economic recovery. So that's all the news. So thank you so much friends. Please subscribe the Rahul Kaushik RK and press the bell icon. Thank you.